Want to see every single website and IP address that has connected to your Wi-Fi? You can check your entire router history right from your phone. Whether you're using iPhone or Android, let's dive right in. First, open your phone's settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Find your connected network and tap the little eye icon next to it. Scroll down until you see router. Tap and hold those numbers and hit copy. Next, open your web browser and paste the IP address into the address bar. And hit go. This takes you directly to your router's interface. Now, a quick heads up. This page will look a little different depending on your internet provider. I'm using TELUS Fiber, but no matter who your provider is, you'll be able to get the username and password to log into this on your router. And within the router, you're looking for a section labeled logs or diagnostics. Once you find it, tap into your router logs. Right away, you'll see a massive detailed list of every single website and IP address accessed through your network. You can scroll through this entire history to spot any unfamiliar traffic or devices that shouldn't be there. Want to wipe the slate clean? Just look for clear log button, usually the top left or bottom of the screen, to instantly erase the entire history. Drop a comment below if you get stuck finding the logs on your specific router, and I'll catch you in the next one.